Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do unboxing of the Comica BoomX-u microphone. We're going to do an audio test and then we'll do a review. So these are great, pretty much wireless microphones, so you could put a lapel and everything in. And so we'll just jump into the unboxing and then we'll do the audio and the review. So we're just going to do the unboxing right now, and then we'll just continue on with the testing and then review. So best way to cut this without cutting the box. Okay, so we're just going to look at everything that's included in this. I do like it when they come with a little bag. Makes it easy to pack and travel with. Here, put that right there. The zipper's kind of hard to open, so let's hopefully we don't break it. Here, let's try to open this one first. Alright, so first thing we see is the user manual. Little gel things. Okay, so we have the transmitter. I believe these pop up. So we have the power on, and I don't know what that is yet. The mic. Here's for the microphone. We have the clip. Here we have the receiver. So you can pop these like that. We have the up, down, left, right. We have the output IR headphone jack or port. Here we have the clip. Same thing, another transmitter. Oh, here we go. And so you can do that with that one too. So it just connects like that. Here's the mic, microphone right there, clip. Okay. Close that. Oops. Okay. We're gonna either break this or figure it out. And so you can see it's, there we go. There's just a little, okay. And so we have a little, this is the wind. Yep. This goes on top of the microphone, so it blocks the wind right there. That tiny little microphone. And we'll show how to do it too, so. Okay, so that's one. There should be two. Actually, yeah, there should be two. Okay. And I can already feel this is the second one. I'm gonna open it, this is the same thing. Okay, and this is the, let's see. I like to keep stuff, just like it came. So this is the external mic that you can put in. So there should be two. Wait, oh, there he goes. It's always hard to, there you go. There he goes. I was stuck in there. All right, so this is the same thing. I can refill it. Okay, so this is a charging cable. And I believe it should be a Type-C cable. Most of them are nowadays. Yep, Type-C. See? Type-C charges faster, and as opposed to the standard old USB cable. Here we have a little cable. It's for a smartphone. There should be one for smartphone and also cameras. I'm just gonna get that out. Put that next time. Put it back in. Sorry, my allergies are bad. I have horrible seasonal allergies. Here we have for, let's see, camcorders, and last thing of this includes there it goes. And so it includes this cable. And so that's everything that's included in the Comica BoomX-u YouTube. And so we're just gonna next do pretty much, do the settings and see how everything works, the audio, and then we'll finalize the video with a review. So just continue watching and you'll see hear the audio and see the review.
Okay, I'm testing this new microphone. Hopefully you can hear it. I have the antennas pointing straight, and so we're just going to walk backwards and see how well the audio picks up. So just testing the audio, testing the audio, testing the audio, testing the audio, testing the audio. Also making sure I don't get hit by a car. So testing the audio, seeing how far it picks up. So hopefully with that, it picks up a little further than normal. So we're just walking back and seeing if it works well. And then we're just going to do with the actual lapel piece, connect the actual microphone part. Okay, so now we're just going to connect this part. Connect this. See. Make this look. Okay. Okay, so now we're just testing this microphone. Yeah. Just neighbor talking. Okay, so we're just testing this microphone, seeing how far it picks up the microphone. So hopefully it picks up far. Oh yeah, picks up far. And then we'll see how far it picks up. So testing the microphone. Testing the microphone. Pretty much that's, hopefully you can hear me. And that's pretty much the microphone.
Okay, now we're doing the review part of the Comica BoomX-u. And so, didn't have any issues with the microphone. The transmitter receiver worked extremely well. They connected instantly. Pretty much the audio up and down worked fine. The headset jack works perfect. Pretty much everything works perfect. There's just a minor like skipping when audio skips when I have the actual microphone, not the lapel portion on my shirt, which I think my shirt might be too light for it to hold it. And so it kept bouncing. And so that was my error, user error. And so this is a great wireless microphone for any videographer. And so it works extremely well. It comes with everything you pretty much need to, just do interviews or podcasts or anything that requires you to use audio. And so I'm very happy I got this to use, and I'll be using it in a lot of my videos. And I hope this video helps you in your buying decision process. Please like and subscribe if you like this channel. And also I'll have my social media in the description. And I'll have a link where I buy the microphone. And I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.